In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple pages per sheet in Word. If you're looking to save a little paper, create a compact pocket booklet, or print out multi-page drafts without killing a whole forest, you need to know how to stack multiple pages onto a single sheet of paper. Word makes this super easy, but there's a specific trick you have to use if you're trying to print multiple copies of a single page on one sheet. So let's dive right into it. Open up the document to compress and head up to the File menu in the top left corner right here. Then click on Print. If you want a faster shortcut, you could just press Ctrl P while inside your document, and if you're on Mac, it's Ctrl P. Once you're looking at your print properties, glance at the very bottom of the settings column at the left side. By default, it will say 1 page per sheet. You need to just go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. And as you could see, you'll instantly get options to print 2, 4, 6, 8, or 16 pages onto one piece of paper. Word handles all the heavy lifting here. It automatically scales down your fonts, adjusts your margins, and arranges your pages into a clean side-by-side grid layout without changing a single word. Now, here's a massive trap that catches a ton of people. If your document is only 1 page long and you select 4 pages per sheet, Word won't automatically multiply it. It will literally just print your single page in the top left corner and leave the other 3/4 of the paper completely blank. If you want to print 4 copies of that exact same page on one sheet for things like flyers, business cards, or event invitations, look up at the pages in the middle of this menu. Instead of leaving it blank, you need to manually type 1 pretty much as you could see it here in this page, separated by commas. And this forces Word to read it as a full page document queue. Because you have 4 pages per sheet selected below, it will clearly pack all 4 copies of page 1 onto that single piece of paper. Also, choose 4 pages here, and before you hit that print button, look at the digital print preview on the right. If you select 2 pages per sheet, changing your paper orientation to landscape usually gives you the most readable side-by-side book format. If it looks good, go ahead and send it to the printer, and that is basically it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.